In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Meta account in a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to tidy up your digital presence or take a break from social media, knowing how to properly delete your account can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into the Account Center, which is Meta's centralized hub for managing your accounts across its various platforms. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled Personal Details. It's generally easy to find on the main dashboard, but feel free to take your time navigating the interface if it's your first visit. Next up, you'll want to go to the section titled Account Ownership and Control. This area is where you can manage your account's overall settings, including deactivation and deletion options. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the options here, just in case you ever need to make changes to your account settings in the future. Now that you're in the right section, you'll see the option for deactivation or deletion. Selecting this will bring you a step closer to removing your account entirely. Note that deactivation and deletion are two different actions. Deactivation allows you to temporarily take a break, whereas deletion is permanent. In this guide, we're focusing on deletion. When presented with the choice, click on the account you wish to delete. If you have multiple accounts linked in the Meta ecosystem, ensure you're selecting the correct one. It's crucial to double-check this step to avoid any unwanted surprises later on. After selecting your account, follow the on-screen prompts. Meta will typically present you with a series of confirmations to ensure this is truly what you want to do. These steps are in place as a final safeguard, giving you one last chance to reconsider before losing access to your account and its contents forever. Once you're sure about your decision, you'll be asked to enter your password. This security measure is essential as it protects you from inadvertently deleting your account or falling victim to any unauthorized attempts by others to do so. Carefully type in your password and then proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the process to permanently delete your Meta account. Keep in mind that account deletions can sometimes take a bit of time to process fully, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. This is a significant step, and it's always good to know you're in control of your online identity. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, consider sharing it with someone who might find it beneficial too.